Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. I'm standing in our beautiful showroom here in Houston where we have over a dozen brands of windows, and I want to talk to you about something that you should be aware of before you decide to go buy a house full of windows. Now, I had a lady who called me and I talked to her on the phone for almost 50 minutes, and she said, Jeff, my contractor got the wrong size windows. He ordered them wrong, and I just feel horrible about this. I think he got it wrong, and I want you to tell me, what should I do? So I listened to the story and I listened twice. It turns out the problem was that she was thinking that she was going to get windows that were the same glass size as the ones that she had before. So let me elaborate on that. There are two things that you can measure on a window when you go to measure a window to replace your existing windows. One is the frame size, in other words, the entire width of the frame, including the glass, and the other is what we call glass space, from the edge of the glass to the edge of the glass. Well, you cannot buy a window and say, hey, I want to order a window with this much glass space. You have to order a window based on the frame size because that's how it fits into the framing on your home. The studs have to match the window. What happened to her was she took out single pane aluminum windows, which happen to have a very narrow profile, and she put in impact rated windstorm windows, which are very beefy and very strong and have a thicker frame, and now her glass space was reduced accordingly, and she's not happy at all. I can understand her point of view. I can also understand the contractor's point of view. What happened was there was not clear communication to the homeowner about what to expect when you replace your windows. And so I've learned that same lesson early in my career, that people's expectations might be different than what I'm expecting them to get, and that's why I like to clear these things up in advance. So today I'm going to show you the differences. Now here's the thing you should know about these windows. I've got a row of windows here. These are all ultra premium vinyl windows, okay? And every one of these, the frame size on it is 29.5 inches wide by 55.5 inches tall. All of them are the same, okay? But I want to show you this. This is a Pella window. You've heard of Pella windows, right? And if you notice this Pella window, this is their double hung, the 250 series, very popular. When I measure the glass space on this, you can see here that we have 23.25, maybe 23.5 inches of actual glass space from glass to glass, edge of glass, we call it. That's the glass space, 23.25 inches. If you come over here for a contrasting look, this is the Amsco window, which is a very high quality window out of Utah. I've got some great videos on that window. You want to check that out. Same size window, okay, that was 23.25 over there. And if you notice here, the glass space, edge to edge on a glass on this, is almost 27 inches. So 23.25 to 27 nearly. This is over 3.75 inches more glass than you get out of that window of the same size frame. So you say, Jeff, oh my God, I never thought of that. And yeah, it's one of the most common mistakes people make. In fact, I made a video. It's one of my most viewed videos on YouTube. It's like 7 years old, but it's a really, really good one. And it's the top 5 mistakes that people make when buying windows. And I discussed that, and I've got really good examples in that video showing you that. So you're gonna wanna go see that video so you can educate yourself about the differences. But if you notice, both of these windows are what we call hung windows. In other words, they operate up and down, and they both are, yet you have 3.75 inch difference between them. So it's not just the window brand you buy, it could also be the style of window you buy. So for example, this is a hung window, and this here next to it is a fixed window. Now this is also a window by Amsco, same people. This is gonna blow your mind, okay? This is what I like about it. If you notice here, I measured the glass space on this, and guess what it is? It's exactly the same 27 inches as their hung window is. Genius idea to create a picture window that sits next to a hung window that have the same glass space when you're talking about the same size of window. Why is that important? Well, the reason that's important is you might have 3 or 4 picture windows together that are flanked on each side by an operable window. You don't want those to feel like they don't belong together. And these guys did such a good job making those the same size. Now look at this one. This is a casement window. Some people call it a crank window. It's got a handle. You crank it and it swings open like a refrigerator door or like a front door does. This is going to need to have an outer frame, then it's going to need to have an inner sash, and it's going to have to be strong because it's cantilevered when it comes out like that, right? It's going to be heavy. So this needs more frame to it than that one would over there. And so if you notice here, when I take the measurement on this one, this is 23 inches. 23 inches of glass space. So I want you to learn up front what you're going to get when you are finished buying windows. And if you have to, this is my suggestion, get blue tape. Get some of that painter's tape and go there to your existing window and mock it up with blue tape so you can see just exactly how much glass you're going to lose. Make sure you're happy before you buy a window, because if you buy the wrong window, you're going to be unhappy. Now, I created this YouTube channel to help homeowners learn and understand about windows. And I got a lot of people asking me, Jeff, do you know a great window company up here? I live in DC, or I live in Pittsburgh, or I live in Seattle. And obviously I can't be everywhere, right? We operate in the state of Texas primarily. Dallas, Fort Worth area, Houston, and we're expanding into some new areas here as well. But I do know a lot of great window companies, people that I trust and I know do a really good job. Maybe I know somebody near you and I can recommend them. For that reason, I actually created a website so you can go see if there's a dealer I love and approve of that's in your area. You can go check it out. It's called jeffslist.com. If you live in the Houston, Texas market at all, then reach out to us right here at thewindowexperts.com. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.